Muscle Car Corner here, bringing you one of TV Tommy IVO's cars. Amazing little slingshot rail. Looks like this thing has been restored to the nines. It's just put back exact the way it was, but a lot nicer with the two small blocks in it, which was his signature of putting many motors in a car. Looks like this was at the Amelia Island concourse, and did well there. Whoever restored this car just really went over the top with it. I mean, everything's polished. It just looks beautiful. Everything's chromed. Just amazing stuff. Tommy IVO, TV Tommy.